What money is actually on the table after a Wisconsin crash? Compensatory damages repay what you lost, really medical bills, past and future, lost income, lost wages. Sometimes we call that lost earning capacity. Property damage and pain, suffering, and your disability or loss of enjoyment of life. Punitive damages are rare. They're meant to punish extreme conduct, which is like drunk driving or egregious facts, not to make you whole. Most cases revolve around compensatory damages and the proof of what those damages are, like medical documentation, wages, wage records, lost wage reports, and credible testimony about how your life changed. Your outcome turns on evidence, strategy, not headline numbers. If you want a quick estimate, hey, use your case value calculator on our website with the link below, or call or text 414-999-0000. Watch next 3 insurance companies that are easier to work with in Wisconsin.